Dear student, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Professor Vrindani Vaidya, Faculty of Civil Engineering Department. In this video, I will be teaching you rate analysis under professional practice and valuation. For today's session, I will be focusing how we calculate quantities of material for different item of the work. Now, first of all, what is rate analysis? So, to determine the rate of a particular item of work from quantities of material and labor required and their cost is known as analysis of rate. Now, generally, a profit of 10% of the contractor is included into the rate analysis. Now, the rate of the material and the labor that are fluctuating from place to place, and therefore the rate of item of the work also vary from place to place. Now here we can calculate the quantities for different item. So first we calculate the quantity for the brick masonry. Now number of bricks required for 1 meter cube of brick work. We know that the actual size of the brick, that is 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter, and the size of the brick with mortar, that is nominal size of the brick, that is 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So for finding out the quantity of the brick for 1 meter cube masonry, our formula, that is equal to number of bricks required, that is equal to volume of the brickwork divided by volume of one brick with mortar joint. So volume of the brickwork, we can find the brick for 1 meter cube. So here volume of the brickwork, that is 1 meter cube, and the size of the brick with mortar, that is 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So if we convert it into meter, then 0.20 meter by 0.10 meter by 0.10 meter. So that comes equals to 500 numbers. Therefore, for 1 meter cube of brick masonry, 500 bricks are required. Now second, mortar for 1 meter cube of brickwork. Actual volume of the brick in 1 meter cube of brick masonry. So actual volume, that is 500 numbers of the brick that we require for 1 meter cube of brickwork, and the actual size, that is 0.19 by 0.09 by 0.09. So we get the actual volume of the brick, that is equal to 0.77 meter cube. Therefore, the volume of the wet mortar in 1 meter cube of brick masonry, that is equal to 1 minus 0.77, that is equal to 0.23 meter cube. Now for filling the frog cut bricks for bonding, wastages, etc., increase this quantity by 15%. So volume of the wet mortar, that is equal to, here the volume of the wet mortar, that will be 0.23. So 0.23, and we can increase it by 15%. So 0.23 plus 0.15 multiplied by 0.23, so that comes 0.264 meter cube. Now volume of the dry mortar increased by 25% when water that can be added. So what volume of the dry mortar, it can be increased. So again this is 0.264 plus 25% increase. So 0.25 multiplied by 0.264, so that comes 0.33 meter cube. Therefore for 1 meter cube of brickwork, 0.33 meter cube of mortar is required. Now if we can calculate the material for 1:6 brick work, So the quantity, if we can find the quantity of the brickwork for 10 meter cube, and so here the proportion that is given, that is 1:6. So 1:6 means 1 part cement and 6 parts sand. So add them, 1 plus 6, so that is equal to 7. So for finding out the quantity of the cement that is equal to 1/7, 1 part cement. That's why here we take 1 divided by 7. 7, that is total 1 plus 6, that is 7. So 7 multiply by 3.3. 3.3, that is the volume of the dry mortar. So here we get 0.4714 meter cube. Here the volume that we get here in meter cube, and the cement bag that is in kg, right? So when we convert it into the meter cube, it will be 0.035 meter cube. So 1 bag of cement bag, that weight equal to 50 kg, but when we convert it into the volume, it will be 0.035 meter cube. So when here we get this volume into meter cube. So for finding out the number of bags, we have to divide it by 0.035. So we get the number of bags, that is equal to 13.47 bags. Now sand, for quantity of the sand, here 6 part sand is there. So 6 by 7, 7, that is the total proportion, 1 plus 6, 7 multiply by volume of the dry mortar, that is 3.3. So that comes 2.83 meter cube. Now for the concrete work, for 1 meter cube of wet compacted concrete, dry volume is taken about 52% more. Therefore 1 meter cube of wet concrete, 52% more, so it will be 1.52 meter cube of dry concrete. And the quantity, here we can find the quantity for the material, for the proportion 1:1.5:3 cement concrete. So volume of the wet concrete, here 1 meter cube, and dry concrete, this is 1.52 meter cube. Here the proportion is 1:1.5:3, 1 part cement, 1.5 part sand, and 3 part aggregate. So if we can total it, 1 plus 1.5 plus 3, that comes 5.5. So for finding out the quantity for the cement, 1 part for cement, so 1 divided by total, so 5.5 multiply by volume of the dry concrete, so we get 0.2763 meter cube. And when we convert it into bags, so divide it by 0.035, that comes 7.89 bags, nearly equal to 8 bags. Same way sand here 1.5 part sand, so 1.5 divided by total, that is 5.5 multiply by volume of the dry concrete, that is 1.52. so answer comes 0.414 meter cube. And aggregate, 3 part of aggregates will be there, so 3 divided by total, that is 5.5 multiplied by 1.52, so that comes 0.829 meter cube. Now for plastering, for filling up the joints and for uneven surface, 30% more mortar is required. So to get the dry volume of the mortar, we get volume may be further increased by 25%. So for finding out the material for 100 meter square area and 12 mm thick plaster, here the proportion is 1:4. So first of all we have to find the volume of the wet mortar, so that can be found out by the formula area into thickness. Here the area that is given 100 meters square, so 100 multiplied by thickness, that is 12 mm. So here mm is, this thickness is in mm, so we convert it into meter, so 0.012. So 100 multiplied by 0.012, it comes 1.2 meter cube. For filling up the joints and for uneven surface, 30% more mortar is required. So 30% more, so volume of the wet mortar, that is equal to 1.2 multiplied by 1.3, 30% more. That's why it is 1.56 meter cube. Now to get the dry volume of the mortar, wet volume may be further increased by 25%. So this volume, it may be further increased by 25%. So 1.56 multiplied by 1.25. So that comes 1.95 meter cube, nearly equal to 2 meter cube. So here the proportion that is given 1:4, 1 part cement and 4 part sand. So 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. Cement, for finding out the cement quantity, 1 divided by 1 part cement, 5, that is total, multiply by the volume of the dry mortar, that is 2 meter cube. So here it comes 0.4 meter cube, and when we convert it into bags, number of bags, so 0.4 divided by 0.035 meter cube, that is the volume of the cement in meter cube. So that comes 11.43, nearly equal to 11.5 bags. And sand, that is equal to, here 4 part sand is there, so 4 divided by 5 multiply by 2, that is the volume of dry mortar, so that comes 1.6 meter cube. Now see if we can find for the area having 100 meters square and proportion is 1:3, and for 20 mm thick plaster, so same procedure, volume of the wet mortar, that is equal to area into thickness, so 100 meters square, that is area into thickness, that is 20 mm, that is 0.020 meter, so it comes 2 meter cube. Here the thickness of the plaster, that is 20 mm, so mortar required for filling up the joints and uneven surface, that is 20% more mortar that is required. So volume of the wet mortar, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 20% more, so 1.2, that comes 2.4 meter cube. Now to get the dry volume of the mortar, wet volume may be increased by 25%, so 25% increase, so 2.4 multiply by 1.25, so that equal to 3 meter cube, so that is equal to volume of the dry mortar. Now here the proportion that is given 1:3, so 1 part cement and 3 part sand. So 1 part cement divided by total 1 plus 3, that is 4, and volume of the dry mortar, that is 3, so answer comes 0.75 meter cube. So that comes 0.75 divided by 0.035. This is the volume of the cement bag in meter cube. So we get the number of bags, that is 21.43 bags, so nearly equal to 21.5 bags. And sand, that is 3 part sand, so 3 by 4 multiplied by dry volume of the mortar, that is equal to 2.25 meter cube. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more educational videos. Thank you.